Hey guys, welcome back. Getting ready to do some breakfast again, and I just thought I'd bring you along for the ride. Just gonna do some really quick, tasty little sandwiches for breakfast. Little sausage, egg muffins with cheese, and very simple, but hey, come along. Let me show you how I do it. I'm just going on with a little, just non-stick spray here. I think would have been okay anyway on this griddle. It ain't gonna hurt us. It's got some regular sausage. Press these out here. Smashed sausage. Little parchment paper. Got some butter. I'm just going to set on the side over here and let it melt for a minute. Alright, give these guys a flip. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. You know, I'm okay with that. Looking good, guys. Looking good. Guys, I'm gonna pull these over here. Let them finish up. Do a quick little clean. Guys, I got these whole wheat muffins here. I'm just going to toast up a little bit. Get a little butter. I'm going to take it that long there. I did turn this side down just a little bit. Okay, guys, get these off of here. Try to get the right top with the right bottom. Can't mess that up, can we? Oh yeah. Gonna be good. Oh yeah. Take these sausages off. That is hot. Okay guys, cute little rings here. Turned everything down too low, by the way. Give these a spray so they don't stick. And our egg. I'm gonna break the yolks in. Pepper in each one. Okay. Give these guys a flip. Oops. That's perfect. That's good enough for what we're doing. There. Good enough for what we're doing. Nice. All right, let's plate these guys up. Come in with a little bit of that sausage. You know what was happening. These eggs lit right on top there. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about there. Each of these, I've got some little sharp cheddar cheese. Move these over. We're gonna come back on with our tops. Fire department's running this morning. Alright guys, let's go inside and get a bite of that. Give this thing a go. Look at that. Alright, here we go. Mickey D's has nothing on this guy, I'm telling you. The sharp cheddar cheese kind of sets this one off, guys. Another bite. Guys, thanks so much for coming along for breakfast with me again. And man, I really enjoyed this cook. I'm enjoying this griddle. I need to get back some of the other grills I got, I know, but I've been having so much fun on the griddle. I just having a blast. So, guys, thanks so much. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Please subscribe to us. We should put out a video nearly every Saturday morning, and I'm so glad you come along for this one, folks. So, till next time, God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.